A very good day to Doctor. My name is Yu Heng. We are from Group 15. Our topic for this assignment is Method to Manage Fire by Business Entity. One significant risk that every business entity must address is fire. A fire outbreak can lead to a serious outcome, including loss of life, property damage, and also financial losses. Therefore, implementing effective fire safety measures is essential for business to reduce this risk and maintain a secure environment. And organizations' loss exposures are identified through the process of risk management, which also choose the most effective methods for addressing such exposure. Broadly speaking, risk management strategies fall into two categories: risk control and risk financing. To address each loss exposure, risk managers often use several strategies, and I will talk about the risk control. The first one is avoidance. Avoidance means a certain loss exposure is never accurate or undertaken, or an existing loss exposure is abandoned. Business entity can decorate the space with the fire-resistant items and call professionals to make the regular inspection and maintenance. For loss prevention, business entities should create and implement the fire safety rules and procedures. Besides that, business entity also needs to provide fire safety training and education to all employees. Pre-loss reduction is a risk management technique and action to minimize the potential loss before the incident occurs. Loss can be reduced by implementing duplication. Business can retrieve crucial information and reduce the loss of crucial records or sensitive data by duplicating the data. Another method is separation. By using separation, the assets exposed to loss are separate or divided to minimize the financial loss from a single event. Business entity may store their equipment and inventories into two warehouses. If one of the warehouse is damaged or destroyed by a fire, then the another warehouse is safe. Post-loss reduction is a risk management technique and action taken after the incident has occurred to minimize the further losses. Post-loss reduction including rehabilitation and salvage. Company can provide rehabilitation to employees that facing job-related injuries after the incident. Throughout the recovery process, company can give staff assistance and maintain efficient communication with them. Inform them of any changes of work schedules or arrangement, as well as program and expectation. Salvage means implementing recovery measures to the property or assets that damaged after the fire incident. This could involve fixing structural issues, replacing broken system, and this adjustment can quickly bring the entire business back on track.
A very good day to Doctor. My name is Ji. Now I will present about the risk financing. There are two categories in risk financing to manage fire accident in business entity. First method is retention. Retention indicates that an individual or business retain a portion of all loss produced by a certain risk. So, rather than transferring the risk totally to the insurance company, a business entity may return a share of the fire risk. There are three ways that business entity can retain the risk, which is self-insurance, deductible, and co-insurance. So we can know the business entity have an economic interest in preventing fire incidents by retaining a portion of the risk. They will invest more in fire prevention system. Therefore, by using retention, business entity can improve fire preventive measure. The next method is insurance. We can know that insurance is an important technique in fire accident. This is because insurance are including fire insurance, so we can know that fire insurance is vital for business entity because it provides compensation for damage and losses caused by fire incidents. Therefore, business entity can purchase fire insurance to protect the property. So, by transferring the financial risk to the insurance company, individual and business can mitigate the potential financial impact of a fire accident. In conclusion, the outcome of implementing this risk management technique can help business entities to lower the frequency and severity of fire accidents. At the same time, this technique also able to minimize the direct loss and indirect loss that associate with fire accident. So it means that employer and all the staff will be provided with a safe working environment after implementing risk management technique. So we can note that effective risk management turns into a competitive advantage in today's evolving business environment, and it allowing organizations to navigate uncertainties and reduce potential losses. That's all for our group presentation. Thank you.